Hey everybody, this is Mac Real, Herben Influence. I am so really looking forward to doing this episode right here, number 6, and being able to present some really, really cool numbers, results for the first 90 days of since we launched for Herben Influence, going all the way back to July 1st. So kind of piggybacking off the last episode, we've discussed what we're going to do episode 1, the whole plan, everything, each episode, step by step by step. So the intent behind that was we needed to gather the data, okay? And then we needed to analyze where that traffic was going to come from, how we were going to obtain it, what methods did we want to use for content, and how do we really want to develop a strategy for sales channels or methods to add revenue into other than just buying the merchandise, obviously, which, by the way, is amazing. So and what we did there is Herben Influence, Forever Music, and Mac Real Solutions were all basically run, operated right here in this laboratory, and then in the dungeon down at the butcher's house. So we were able to do everything with absolutely zero money, borrowed from any sort of financiers or investors. So and I've been able to do this relatively inexpensively, and this is really good stuff that the growth rates that I've been able to accomplish here on our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, Element, Discord, WhatsApp, you name it. If we're not there, then let me know. Then it probably doesn't exist yet, and if it doesn't, I'm already ahead of that because I know where the tech developers are hiding out at too, so I'm dailing in there. So we really have done a great job in terms of getting a presence online with the use of Shopify platform in particular to do some really cool opportunities to partner up with Printful, the drop shipping, and then become an affiliate with them, and now becoming a Shopify collabs partner, and then being able to have that affordability to really showcase our skill set and what we want to do in the direction that we want to go in terms of art and this niche in industry and apparel. And there are many others that we're going to get into as well. So this is a really cool thing with Shopify. We're really happy. We just got accepted again into their affiliate program. So this is good stuff, and we are going to work very, very diligently to have our community grow within that platform through Herben Influence Shopify. So we got Herben Influence, our headquarters right here in Minnesota. We got that state on lockdown. Now we want to branch out. We want Herben Influence, Wisconsin, New York, California. We want to show us who we are right here, this type of content. We're hiding nothing. We're doing a business, retroactive, being broadcasted relatively unedited, uncut, unfiltered. I'm showing everything to you guys firsthand to see it, so we can all learn together, and a way for me to prove myself to earn your guys' trust and loyalty, because we want you guys to have that feeling that when you buy anything from our stores, that not only is the quality that goes without saying needs to be top notch, but we want you, when you put this on, you represent our crowns and our work ethic and our desire to succeed and continue to educate and motivate and inspire people to join us and grow together and build their own source of financial income and freedom through our platforms that we are building. And one of the biggest ways we had to do that is I had to make sure that we owned the number one spot. When time somebody typed in Herben Influence, the spelling is a little bit different for most people, so we needed to have that top spot. That was my number one focus and priority, and I want you guys type in www.herben with an Herben influence.com and tell me what you see. If I'm losing to somebody there, then they're either then we got some problems there. But I'd really like to say we've done an outstanding job there. We are getting some really good recognition and exposure, putting out some just content that iWeb Next has done for us, and really beautiful sources of advertise for our own products. So, now we're at that. So that, interestingly enough, led to, once the data came in, and I submitted all of our socials to a series of audits to influencer marketing platforms that are starting to just blossom. All these influencer things are coming up. So that's what I've done, and I was able to do that through Inspire, and that's INZPIRE. And they were able, I'll never forget the day I got that email when I got that audit, the results of that audit back. And I want to show that to you right here, right now. And this is what you're going to see on this screen. And this is just for the Instagram account on my main one, Herben Influenced with a D. So the other one is just regular Herben Influence. So this is after the audit came back in. I got the report, and I wanted to just verify and make sure it was like legit. So I want you guys to see this firsthand. And as I type this in with you guys, so we're going to put our handle in there, which is at Herben Influenced. Okay, and then next question is, how many posts should the influencer post? Well, we can do 5. We can do 5 an hour if we want. So we just put 5 in there, stories, whatever the case is. Okay, and that's just for the Instagram channel with what we were able to do. And let's just hit the calculate button, and these are the results that are absolutely mind-boggling and astonishing to me right now. So there you have it. So there, right here, is our audit price based off of our Instagram account, what I've been able to do in terms of staying active, posting stories, following the whole trail of the pattern, and then just really interacting with the traffic sources that are in Instagram's particular platform, and putting some time and effort and running some promotions, and really trying to launch our identity big in Instagram. And we nailed it. And now this is where we're at right now. So that is absolutely unbelievably amazing. And what we're doing next right now is, now that we've got this, we know what we've built. We've got it, the stadium's built, the seats are empty. Now we're looking for the hustlers to fill those seats. I will show you everything, how I've done this step by step, one by one, with all you have to do is just believe into what I'm trying to tell you. I want to teach this to you guys, okay? And I will do it for a hell of a lot less expensive than what you will find anywhere else out there. So give me the opportunity to make this type of information, which is the most boring stuff in the world, let me change your mind and train of thought on that. And that's going to be our next focus for the next 90 days, is how in the hell am I going to teach the most boring crap and make it interesting to the people that really want to see how to succeed on how to make money online. Because now we're there. I've done it. This is proof. Okay, and then so that's where the next few episodes are going to come. So thank you so very much. Again, herbeninfluence.com. My name is Mac Real, and we look forward to having you guys join our community, like our posts, subscribe to our channel, ask us questions. If you want to learn, we want to teach you. Join our team and be a brand ambassador for us and represent us where you're at, and let's just start having some fun, throwing some content out there on every single platform, and start building this army. So as we continue to grow, thank you so guys very, very, very much, and peace.